In this video, we'll be doing a quick guide on how multiple delivery day stores work and what that means exactly. So here on our settings page, I'm going to go ahead and change my transfer day allowance to multiple days per order. What that means is if I place one order today, it could be for a delivery on 2 days next week. So after I selected that option, I can now click Set Days or click Transfer Days right here on top. And I see I already have Monday and Wednesday set up. You could also add a new day just by clicking the Add Day up here. And for each of these days, you could see that they have their own pickup or delivery settings, their own cutoff times, their own minimums. You could even apply a fee. You can go as far as assigning certain pickup locations to only being available on specific days of the week. But what does this mean for your customer? What does this look like? So I'm going to do a quick refresh, go to my orders page, and click Create Manual Order. Now on the right hand side, you see I have both Monday and Wednesday as options. So I could add some meals in for Monday, then I can click Wednesday, and I could add some meals for Wednesday. Now when I continue to check out, this is one order for both days, Monday and Wednesday. This is the core of what multiple delivery days does. Again, if we come back to our settings page, we could see that there's even more we could do, like assigning certain items to certain days. In most cases, people just like the basic functionality of being able to have one order for 2 days. You could even go one step further, which is by splitting a package into 2 delivery days. There will be a video in our Create Your Menu section below that covers exactly how to set that up and how that works.